Plunge into hot velvet, an explosion of burning hetero need.
She squelches and squeals like a rubber boot heel from mud onto linoleum, back to mud onto linoleum.
He mounts and rides her like a stag in heat, plunges through virginal aching wood, sweat drips from his brow as salty dew.
Climbing the tower like King Kong, but slipping and sliding his long dong like clumsily spilling third base.
It feels really good, but more extra intense, like passion of fire and intense burning passion fire, like carving into hell with a butter knife.
It was sort of like love, or like making love but more intense. It was like fucking sex. It was like King Kong skyscraper sex, and it was definitely better than vampire sex.
He is hidden deep in her she cave, grasping for what he thinks is sawing gently with his love knife.
Like Beowulf, he slays her. Monster mother, rinking stinkily of flesh, flesh all a mesh.
And together, we are one.